All right.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Swan Belcher. This is me taking action on Instagram, and today we got our second ride along. Okay, you guys tell me how you like this new form of content. Essentially, I'm choosing to do like this lifestyle event, which happens to be riding my motorcycle. Okay, I picked it up for mainly like self-care, just to have fun, do something I enjoy, just to keep all of the stress off. And I decided to take you guys along with me. So now I'm in this spot where I'm kind of like rebuilding my business, because we had went through the whole like cold calling thing, and so we had shut down our marketing. So I'm building back up my marketing machine, that's what I like to call it. And so the first person that's a part of that machine is this lady, Miss Tanya. She actually goes down to the courthouse and pull probate leads for us. Today we're actually going to, this is her second week with us, so today we're actually going to go to her house and help her upload those records on our Google Drive, so that way we can get all this information to our acquisition, so they can call these records and and make offers on our behalf. So let's jump on the bike.
All right. Good times, guys. Good times, good times, good times. I've been taking the bike out like every day, honestly. But just sometimes I'm deciding to shoot, and other times I'm just enjoying the ride. But today I'm deciding to shoot. I figure this will be good so people can see me training, and we got some work going on at the apartments too, so. The neighbors down there being old, just talking. Shout out to these guys, Quad Lock, for making this phone mount. It mounts my phone, it stays there. I really rock with it. Whew. So guys, like I said, I'm kind of rebuilding my my marketing machine, because it kind of I kind of got distracted from the marketing with the lady suing me for cold calling. So I really got distracted with the marketing. So I'm gonna, of course, document us getting our marketing machine back rolling. So the first piece of that, of setting up your marketing, is automation for me. Okay, I honestly think that you should just be marketing without you. You shouldn't have to be involved with it too much. Okay, literally with my marketing machine, the only thing I want to do is help my team get the data and then help my team get leads. That's all I want to do. Okay, so that means train, be creative, come up with processes. That's the kind of thing. So today, so last week pretty much I did a speaking engagement at a church, and this young lady was inspired. She got my phone number. She said, hey, how can I help? And while I learned, I said, hey, no problem. You can pull probate records. So we had her pull probate records for us last week. She pulled 100. We're gonna pay her $100 for pulling that for us, and she's gonna do that once or twice a week. Okay, I told her she can do that up to twice a week, and essentially we're gonna use these probate leads. Okay, we're gonna use these probate leads and we're gonna market to them and make them offers. Okay, now right now in the market, we're not just making all kinds of offers, even though we are, but we're specifically looking for subject to deals and seller finance opportunities right now. Okay, with the market being where it is, we want long-term fixed money. So the way to do that is to number one, be able to negotiate that, you know, without having to quote unquote qualify for it. Okay. So that's seller financing. Or number two, just picking up somebody else's mortgage that's already sound. So that's subject to. So that's my strategy. First piece to it, automate getting probate leads. I started having fun on the bike. Totally forgot I was recording for a YouTube video. I just started having fun. Check that out. Well, I'm telling you, this bike is just so much fun. So man, this joint is just so much fun. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all. Y'all keep that grind up, okay? You grind for 3-4 years. I mean, I'm telling you, a solid grind for 4 years. I mean, just going all in on work. No, like no music, you know, a bunch of reading books, a bunch of networking, a bunch of work, period. You know, you do that for 4 years, and boy, man, you got something good going on. After 4 years, you need to let off a little bit. You know, during that 4 years, you're hiring, you're training, you're setting up, you know, processes, putting softwares in place, putting people in place, and taking over the things that you don't like to do, don't get any fulfillment out of, or number one, just to do an income producing task to make it more consistent, you know, to make your business more consistent. So, you know, good 4 years of work, back off a little bit and enjoy that thing, okay? And honestly, you know, I'm in the middle of enjoying that thing, okay? I'm in the middle of enjoying that thing. Let's see where we want to go. Telling us to go straight. Look, I don't want this video to be super long, so we're gonna see you guys at the spot. I think these are my neighbor's apartments right here. I've been asking to buy them from him for years. Oh, I thought she was about to live over there, but no. Alright, looks like she lives on the next one over. Let's do it. Alright. I know we're here. Just gotta find her apartment. Alright. Whew. All right, what up?
Hey.
How you doing? Hey, that's what's up.
Yeah.
That's what's up. How was the prayer call?
How was the prayer call?
Oh, good.
Good.
And that's that, people. Okay, so let me tell y'all, so with her, I just made up a spreadsheet. Well, I had already had one from 2017. So I'd had interns doing this for me before. I had interns, they would come from A&T, their advisors would send them over to my office, and their advisor would give them intern credits pulling lists for me at the courthouse. So I had from 2017 to 22 probates, but when we shut down our office, to 2020 probates, but when we shut down our office, I stopped having interns do that. So now she's gonna do from present time to back. So I gave her the spreadsheet, went over all the things that's important on the spreadsheet: the descendant's name, the heirs, the address, the property address, the mailing address, their email, their phone number, and the date of death. Okay. Also, if there's an appraised value on there, or who their probate attorney is and their phone number, all of that's on the spreadsheet. And so if there's multiple heirs on the spreadsheet, I'm paying her per line. So technically she could pull 60 records and then it have, you know, more heirs and that add up to 100. So great, that's $100. But hey, we'll see how she does. And that's my way. I'm automating my records for probates at the courthouse. Ain't that cool? There we go. Still learning the bike, guys. Still learning the bike. I was in first gear. I put it in first gear so the bike didn't roll because it's on a little hill. And it wasn't starting because it won't start in first gear if the kickstand is down. So I was like, dang, what did I do wrong? So hey, we got it though. We got it. I'm still learning the bike. So much fun. But look, guys, I wanted to go over that. Just wanted to show you. That's today's ride along. I wanted to just show you one thing that I'm doing today as I'm rebuilding my marketing machine. Hope you guys learned something from that. Hope you guys enjoyed the ride, okay? I'm gonna let it play out a little bit longer on this ride, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed the ride and enjoyed the content of how I'm building back my marketing machine. So hang out with me for the next few minutes and just ride with me. The dealership is right over here too. I used to come over here all the time and do test drives back here. Man, I'm telling y'all, bro. Oh, by the way, if y'all gonna be at Myrtle Beach for Bike Week in the spring, I'm in there, okay? I'm absolutely in there. If you're going to Myrtle Beach Bike Week, your boy is there. We was there this year on accident because, you know, we're trying to get a little vacation in. Ended up at Bike Week, man. So much fun. But if you guys happen to be there, I'm in there. Rolling in the Carolinas. If you roller skating and rolling in the Carolinas, the skate night in Charlotte, I'm down. We're always there, you know. Or you can catch me at an all-in mastermind or at one of my live events too. So I love seeing everybody. Well, look, I'm gonna call that a day because I don't want you guys to get bored in traffic. But remember, this is you taking action, okay? You don't need 3, okay? You just need 2 so you can do you. Make your first $5, $10, $15, $20,000 real estate check. Get paid to buy houses. Links is in the bio. Peace, y'all. You have an amazing day.